the energy incentives that exist right now, they're all incredibly local. In a global world, they're not interconnected. They're highly fragmented.
They're highly fragmented even within countries, even within regions. I mean, all the incentives are not just pointing in the wrong direction, basically giving returns on assets and the wrong type of assets at that. It's just that they point in different directions and that there are dozens, hundreds of different types of incentives, which is confusing and which, by the way, makes energy infrastructure that much more expensive. So when you have a clear, open set of incentives that everybody has access to, and everybody has access to the data that comes out of it and the data that comes into it, so that the incentive system itself can become more intelligent. Then you can ease the transactions. You can provide a smooth, easy way, very inexpensive way for all the players, countries, cities, regions, investors, as well as consumers, to make this clean energy disruption happen and happen even more quickly.